hope you guys are doing fine. I'm doing fine. As you can see, today I brought you guys tutorial on simple ways you can style your hair. I did this style, like this afro behind part here remains steady while I change just this front section. So I'm showing you different ways you can style the remaining portion of your front bang that you left here in different ways. Yeah, stay tuned for the tutorial and do subscribe if you're new to my channel. My name is Delphine. I do natural hair videos. Love you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. I don't like using gel on my hair because I don't want to wash it. So the very first style, after detangling and combing this front section here, you just want to fold it, fold the hair like so. Bam. Use a long bobby pin and just pass it inside so you can secure it. Like so. So this is one way in which you can style your puff in front and you're good to go. Ignore my edges, I'm trying to grow them after breastfeeding my baby. You can bring it, roll it this way like so. You see, I'm doing it very lightly, very lightly. So now you have the entire hair like this. So it comes right down here at the side. And you just divide the hair into two. And secure it here. Do the same on the other side, just fold the ends. So for this next style, I'm just going to grab a small rubber band and secure this hair here like so. A smaller version of this, because right now my hair is not that long to really feel this entire hair. So I'm just going to try. Yeah, I think I'm almost getting it. I'm just going to spread the hair evenly and just tuck it under the bun itself. So that's what all I'm doing, smoothing it, tuck it under. Wow, I'm loving this. I thought my hair would not go on this bun because it's really big, and knowing that the hair that I left was small, it's good to try things, you know. You never can tell. So I guess I'm going to end here. I'll continue when I see that you guys really love it. So yeah, hope you guys did enjoy the simple styles that I showed on how you can style your front hair and just maintain this back different ways, especially if you're going to school. You can do this Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and they think you're changing the style. Meanwhile, you're only touching this front and the back remains the same. So love you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye bye.